There was a time when I was stuck, mentally, emotionally, and in every part of my life. I had no discipline, no direction, just endless scrolling and self-doubt. But then I picked up a book, and then another. Each one didn't just give me knowledge, it gave me a new way to live. Today, I'll share the 10 books that transformed my mindset, habits, confidence, and ultimately my future. Whether you're a student, a teenager, or someone starting over, this video will guide you. Stick around till the end. Your journey might start today. I used to be someone who hated reading. Books felt boring. Until I realized I was drowning in distractions and needed help. You see, nobody around me was teaching me how to think, how to grow, or how to stay consistent. That's when I turned to books. They became my mentors, teaching me what school never did. Here are the 10 books that changed everything for me. Atomic Habits by James Clear. This is the first book that really made me feel like change was possible. James Clear breaks down how tiny daily improvements lead to massive growth. Instead of setting huge goals, I started making small moves. Now I track habits, not outcomes, and my productivity has doubled. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. I was reactive, easily triggered, and blamed everyone else. This book taught me to be proactive, to take ownership, and build long-term character. It's not trendy, but it's timeless. Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. Prepare to get punched in the gut emotionally. Goggins had the hardest childhood imaginable, but he turned pain into fuel. Every time I felt lazy or lost, I thought of his story and pushed harder. Mindset by Carol Dweck. This book introduced me to the idea of a growth mindset, that your brain isn't fixed, that effort matters more than talent. It made me stop fearing failure and start embracing learning. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This was deep. It helped me get out of my head. I used to worry about the future, regret the past. This book taught me to breathe, to find peace in the moment. And that changed how I lived every day. Deep Work by Cal Newport. Distraction was my biggest enemy. This book gave me a battle plan. No more multitasking, no more endless tabs. Now I do focused, high-impact work, and it feels incredible. The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. The title grabs you, but the content grounds you. It taught me to stop trying to be perfect and focus on what truly matters. Letting go of fake positivity was freeing. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Money mindset isn't taught in school, but it shapes your life. This book flipped my thinking. Assets over expenses. Learn how money works, don't just work for it. Make Your Bed by Admiral William McRaven. This book is short, but it's powerful. It taught me the power of small daily wins. Even something as simple as making your bed builds discipline. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This book was different, it was soulful. It's a story about chasing your dream and learning from every step along the way. If you feel like your dream is far away, this book is for you. You don't need to read all 10 books this week. Start with one. Read just one chapter a day. Let the ideas enter your mind, and you'll see how your life starts changing slowly, then all at once. These books didn't just give me information, they gave me transformation. And if they helped me, they can help you too. If this helped you, even just a little, subscribe to this channel right now. Comment below with a book if you're ready to level up your life. Also, tell me which book you're starting with. I reply to every single comment.